How to use home-based scheduling. So before anything, just a short explanation on how this software works. So this is a tool used to create employee shifts, manage availability, and notify teams automatically. So once you have that in mind, it's pretty much just the similar features that comes with that idea. If you want to learn more about the specific features, you could always just enter their home page and take a look at their, of course, their website. But if you want to go ahead and get started, you can enter their website from your preferred browser and press on get started here in the top right, or get started for free here in the main page. If you already have an account for some reason, just go ahead and press on sign in. You could either log in using an email and to join a team, but if you're not doing that, you're gonna have to create your business or get your business started. You're gonna have to fill in a few details like your email, your business details, and just pretty much follow up with what they ask you, and then you will be able to enter your dashboard or your home base page. So here you'll be able to see a quick start guide like finishing your payroll setup, your team to onboard, and you can choose a time clock. And finally, to be able to pay your team if you have more than just yourself, of course. But in the left tab will be most of the tools available. So you have your dashboard over here. If you want to get started, you can see a weekly calendar view where employees are listed on the side if you've already added them. You can simply click on a day or time slot to add a shift. So you can enter the details like the start time or the end time and even the role. You can also duplicate shifts for faster scheduling or use templates. You can take a look at the available templates, and if you like them, you could always just use them. Finally, click publish once your schedule is ready. So your team can see it. Homebase will automatically send notifications via app, text, or the emails. You can also manage availability, maybe even time off requests, shift swaps, which will allow your employees to trade or cover up shifts with your approval. For best results, you can keep your schedule updated, use templates for recurring shifts, and always review before publishing to avoid conflicts or mistakes. So because it is be expected that you'd be a beginner if you just started, most of the other features will be later on the longer you use the tool itself. Like you have your HR center, you have your benefits. Reports will come early, but that again pretty much depends on you. You can explore the entire website if you'd like, but that is the general idea on how you can use Homebase. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.